Greetings and welcome to tutorial number 6. We are continuing with the installation of GCC here. We left off at this stage, so let's make install. Okay, so the procedure follows here. Basically, we configure our software package, then we make it, that is compile it, and then install our package using make install. After that, we symbolically change GCC to a path where it will be stored. So after that, what we are going to do is we are going to ensure that this code runs, which means the optimized version or the past 2 version of the GCC has been successfully compiled and installed, and we should get answer uh, something like this or something like this. Okay, after that what we are going to install is Tcl Core. I'm sure it's a small job. Okay, where is it? Okay, this is done. So let's install, let's execute this line of code. We'll just make a simple dummy.c file, and then we are going to compile dummy.c. Okay, compilation is done. Now we are going to take the output from the readelf a.out file, which is I think is a object code, and we are going to do something with respect to searching for slash tools. What? Okay, let's just try it once again. I don't know why it didn't give me any kind of. There should be no errors. The output of. Okay. So there is no output here. Oh, I'm so terribly sorry. I forgot this line of code. That's the reason the whole compilation process didn't take place. Okay, now let's go ahead with this. I think we should get our output. Yeah. See, what the tool is slash tools. Here they have explicitly mentioned that we'll get lib64 and then ld linux. So yeah, lib64 and ld linux, yes, yeah, they're right. Now we'll just remove the dummy packages, dummy.c and a.out. Okay, after that we are going for Tcl Core. So let's just go back by 2 directories. Okay, let's see if we have Tcl Core, sorry. If we have Tcl Core, okay, yeah, we have it. So we are going to extract it. Tcl Core. Okay, so we are getting into We are getting into TCL 8.0. Okay, we'll get into a directory called Unix, and then we'll run configure prefix equal to slash tools. Okay, that's done. We'll make it, and okay, compilation is now done. The TCL test suite may experience failures under condition hosts that are fully not understood. Therefore, test suite failures here are not surprising and are not considered critical. So UTC parameter is used to set the time zone. Okay, but only the duration of the test suite run. This ensures that the clock tests are exercised correctly. Okay, let's see if it's done. I understood from this is we are installing TCL text. Okay, TCL installing for test. Tool command language. I don't know what TCL is used for, but from this part, what I understood is we are going to set the time zone, and just by what do you say, after compilation we're just going to test whether the TCL core package works or not. Okay, so in TCL what we have is a stub library, the TCL library, then the TCL shell. I I don't know. I mean, it looks like kind of an what do you say, an extension of C, a compiler or something like that. Come on, man. Looks like it's taking a long time. What I'll do is I'll pause my video and continue in some time. Okay. Sorry. Looks like the testing is done. Let's just install it. So I'll type make install. To make install library table. Install library. So debugging symbols can be removed later. Okay. Looks like we make change into this file, that is what do you say, modification permission, and after that is done, what we'll do is we can be okay. So debugging symbols can be removed later. I didn't get what it means, but as far as what I'm concerned is we are going to make changes to the file, and we are going to make changes to the file permissions, and then the compiler or some other program might change the content of the file. Okay, so now we are linking the Tcl shell. All right. Okay, that's pretty much of Tcl. Let's just go back by two directories. We'll tar -xpf expect command. Yeah, we'll get into expect. Okay, what they are expecting. Okay, so having it, what is this? But looks like we are searching for a string or some pattern kind of, and then we are like here we are going to copy the configure and some of its files. Then we are going to search for a pattern. This is the pattern in a specific file, and then we are going to give the output of that file to this file, and then we are going to configure it. Okay, let's do the step. No, what am I doing? Clear. Okay, so the configure file is been copied to configure.orig. Now we are going to search for this string in this in the configure.orig. We are going to just pieces. Okay, so what they have done is there is a standard kind of configure file, and we just want some content of the configure file. So first, by copying this, by using this copying statement, what we did is we made the backup of the file, so that just in case if there are any glitches or errors, we might be able to revert the whole thing back. And then after finding this pattern in the configure file, or rather the line containing this pattern, that pattern will be copied only to the configure file, so that only that much part is necessary for the configuration of the software. Okay, how big is it? Okay, 0.1 SPU, so not a big deal. Okay, that's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to run all these three commands in one command itself to save some time. CRIPTS. Okay, This is just straightforward. Okay, what is this package? Prepare check for compilation. Check is unit testing framework for C. Okay. Okay, cool. That's done. We'll go back by one directory. We are going to extract, which is this one. Anyways, guys, it's taking a lot of time. What I'll do is I'll continue the whole part in the next video. Thank you, guys.